Right, ladies, this is the second time I've filmed this. The first time I hadn't put it together, and then now I've put it together, and I've only made the one. I've had to start and film it again because it just cut out on me, basically. So what I've done is I've made myself a little bird house. So I'm not sure you can see that. Right? And all I've done is I've made it out of MDF. I haven't made it out of MDF wood. Keep thinking it. I've made it out of 1mm chipboard. And what I used on the background of the actual house, I've used that sand medium, you know, the gel medium. And all I did a little bit of the dark patina. That's that one, in case you don't know. Gorgeous green. Added a bit of that to the medium, and then brushed it on, put it on quite thick, and then just stippled it with the brush. And then on the bottom and the roof of the house, what I've used there is the glass bead gel. Added to that is some burnt sienna, and again just stippled it on basically, nice and thick. I made the bird by using this one as a template. So I drew around the bird and just chopped the tail off. Everything's falling here. Ugh. And just chopped the tail off to get the bird. And I cut that out of some, you know, what I've been using, the like rubbery paper. Well, it's cardstock. The really soft stuff that I use for my flowers that stays in shape when it's twisted. So I used the pink one for this because I wanted a pink bird. And then I added a wing, which you didn't get with this one. Edged it all in gold stickles. Added some magenta stickles with diamond stickles in the middle, just to give it a bit of bling, as you can see. Added some gold diamantes. And then where I cut the tail off, I decided to put a feather tail on. So that's what I've done. And then just stuck that to hide the feather base at the bottom. Then I've used the flowers I bought the other day. Gorgeous daisy. It feels like velvet, that. I mean, it's not. It's made of paper. And then just added some little flowers. I also added the plate here so that... I don't know, I might want to give it as a gift, I don't know yet. And then it can go in there. Again, some flowers. And the reason why I put the flowers there is because I was hanging it from that side, and it was too far down from the top for this chain to go in. So I just stuck some flowers over that. I might put a backing on it just to tidy it up. Especially if I'm going to give it to somebody, I will do. And then just a few flowers here. And I think, well, and I've added the Tim Holtz chain. Oops, not even fastened that. So, clasp, I mean, so that it can be hung up. So there you go. Nice little bird house. And it was, I haven't used a die for it, I didn't have one. All I had was a picture of Julie's tag that Honeybee made her, because she made this, but a lot smaller, but she made it, and I thought, I loved that when I saw it. I absolutely loved it. So I thought I'll make myself one, but do it a little bit bigger. So yeah, quite pleased with that. Really pleased, actually. It's come out really nice. Love the textures. Love all the textures. And I hope you like it. See? It's alright, isn't it? Enjoyed doing that. Might make some more and put them on my blog. They're nice for gifts, aren't they? Don't buy a card. Buy a birdhouse. Right, that's it for now, ladies. Besides, I just want to say thank you to everybody for being patient and tolerant of me and my blog, because it's doing my head in trying to get that PayPal on. Honest to God, I feel like throwing the computer out the window. It's horrendous. I think I've done one on some glittered flowers that I've got. These are the glittered flowers, and you get 32 glittered flowers, 4 different sizes, 2 of each colour. You've got a pink, like a cerise pink, and a it's like a white, but they're all glittered, and I think that's the only one I've managed to get the button on for. Well, I hope I've done it right, because if not, I'm tough. But there you go. I'm just going to add a couple of beads and that to this. In fact, I'll do that now. What shall I do? What shall I add? Let's have some pearls, I think. Yeah. Well, and I don't know, I've put them now. Flat back pearls. What have I done with them? Oh, there they are. Get some pearls. I just fancy a little bit of bling on it, just to bling it up a bit more. And I'm actually going to glue these on. Find the centre. Like that. Put one here. Just there, it'll do nicely. Shake this down a bit. There we go. Not quite. There we go. It's not quite in the centre, is it? Never mind. Might put another couple on actually. Even it up a bit. I'm doing it upside down, can't see a thing. One more on the other side. No, it's not quite right. That's all. That won't stay on. Oh, I'll have to. Oh, never mind. Let me just see if I can get another one on. And will it look daft? Yeah, it won't look right. That'll do. I'll do that. And just going to put 3 more on. And I want them here. 1, 2, and the last one. Let's go there, I think. 3. There we go. Clean that bit of glue up. One thing about this, it can peel off, can this sort of glue. Just that's it, done it. Just peels off. So there you go. And that's my little birdhouse. Actually, I quite like that. Looks good. Looks good on screen. Might put him down a little bit to stick him in. There, stops him flopping about. There we go. How's that? Oh, I like that. Right then, just a quick run through. The sand medium on the background stippled, the and coloured. The brown roof and base is done with the glass gel medium. And like I said, this was just cut out a card and then decorated, and then added the flowers and this Tim Holtz clasp. And I think you'll agree, it's quite bonny. Like that. Right, that's it. Thanks very much for dropping by and having a look. Please leave your comments. You might find some of these on my blog. Thanks very much. Bye.